Hi, if you want to enable dual recording on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me show you how. So for that, we just need to open camera first and then swipe left to go in the More tab, and here we need to select Director's View. And now we can see two cameras. So this one is front camera and this is the main camera. This one is normal mode, here is 3x view and 10x view. You can also swipe up to switch to another one and swipe down to close this window. Now here you can also see this icon on the right side on the top of the screen, and you can switch to the split view or here enable single view, and also just leave this picture in picture view. Here to switch cameras you just need to use these arrows, and now on your main screen is the front camera, and if you would like to save this video as you see it, you just need to select this button, or you can tap it again and save front and rear as separate videos. So let's tap it once more, and now to start recording you just need to tap this button and then just stop recording, and you'll see your video as a result like this. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.